Well, the Internal Revenue Service announced it's increasing inflation adjustments for the 2023 tax year.
This as the cost of rent, groceries, just about everything have gone up in prices we haven't seen in 40 years. So joining us now live to explain what this means for Hawaii taxpayers is Adam Brewer. He's a tax attorney with AB Tax Law, APC. So Adam, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, happy to be here.
All right, so what are some of the biggest changes the IRS is making, and who benefits the most? Is it everyone or just people with a certain income level?
Yeah, so really everyone is going to benefit, but what the IRS does is every year they adjust the tax brackets to index for inflation. And this year, because inflation has been so high, for 2023, the adjustments for the tax brackets are also quite significant. So everyone's going to see a benefit. It's just going to depend on your income, how much of that benefit you actually see on your return.
And when could we start seeing these benefits exactly?
Yeah, that's the bad news. It's not going to be immediate relief. So this is a tax year 2023 adjustment. So starting in January, but most taxpayers aren't actually going to see the benefit until they file that 2023 tax return. So that's going to be starting about February 2024 through October 2024.
And it's into the future, but is there anything we can do now to make sure we get the most benefit out of these new rules?
Yeah, here I wish I had better news as well. It's not really something that taxpayers need to do. It's just a natural thing that happens every year with the tax return. So, just continue to do things the same. Hopefully you're one of those taxpayers that notices you're paying a little bit less tax, but unfortunately probably not enough to make up for the big inflation adjustments that we're seeing for groceries and fuel and rents and everything else here.
And are there any other big changes that people should know about?
As far as this change, I mean, not so much. I think what some people may notice is in past years, perhaps they might have itemized their deductions. Really, the trend since about 2018 has been that more taxpayers just use the standard deduction. That's the one that's kind of a gimme from the IRS. You don't have to document how much you donated to charity or paid in state tax or paid in mortgage interest. But with this inflation adjustment, I think even more taxpayers are going to fall under that standard deduction threshold.
Yeah, this can be a kind of a complicated topic for a lot of people, so we really appreciate your time. Adam Brewer, tax attorney with AB Tax Law, APC. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.